Hi guys, Tony Hayes here, and I'm going to do a demo of creating an app with Zapable. Now, I've made one app so far, just the one, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to pick this up by doing a second app after using it just one time. You can see just how quickly we can do this and just how well we can do it as well. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is give the app a title, and I'm going to call this Alpha SEO Training. Okay. So I'm going to make an SEO app, search engine optimization app, within a few minutes. So I'm going to put com.alpha.app. Right, now I'm going to click in here to include my WordPress site. I'm going to put in my site, anthonyhayes.me. anthonyhayes.me, so we can click on import. And that's going to pull in my blog categories. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Click on tutorials, and I'm going to click on reviews, and that's all I want from there. And I'm going to click on save and continue. Now, if you wondered how long this is taking, you can see I put this on, started talking at the same time as I started this, so it's 1 minute and 20 minutes so far. Sorry, 1 minute and 20 seconds so far. Now, what you're going to find here is when I click on this, there's going to be an error because something's being pulled back a little bit wrong. I'm going to show you how to fix this. You see, it says sorry, there's no content with RSS. Click on here. There's a little pencil for edit. Just wait for this. And when you see here the RSS URL, you can see they've got a little hyphen right in there after the /. That shouldn't be there. I'm just going to click on save there. And same thing again. Click on edit for the reviews category. And I'm going to get rid of that little hyphen that's there. Don't know why that's been put there, but that's what the issue is. And I come back over here and go to the home. Okay. And what I want to do is let's just make sure this is working. You can see it's working. Now, if I'm not talking and I'm not demonstrating this, then it makes it really fast to go ahead and do these things. So just get an idea just how quickly it is to do this if you're not having to do a video, for example, like I am doing. So video gallery, I'm going to choose. I'm going to put my YouTube channel in here. Just wait for this to load up. And video gallery, click on add videos, click on YouTube, and where it says search, click the drop down and we choose channel. I'm going to put in my channel name, caseim.org. Used to have a website called caseim.org. Okay, and now you can see a bunch of videos showing from my channel. Let's take a whole bunch of these in here. I can even do it by categories inside my YouTube channel if I wanted. So I've got, for example, playlists for SEO Sunday webinar series. I've got playlists for various things, SEO 2015, all that kind of stuff we got in here. Okay, sorry, my little puppy's crying in the background. She's crying in her sleep, so just excuse that. Nobody's hurting her. Okay, that will do. All of these will do. I can load more results, but for the sake of a demonstration, I'm just going to click on done. Okay. Now this will auto update as well when we're doing some new videos. So I'm going to put in here YouTube SEO channel. Okay, click on save. Okay, now we can update and preview. We should have 3 in here now. Okay, you can see tutorials, reviews, YouTube SEO channel. Let's just change this slightly because it's gone over here. We don't want that to go over. We want it to look nicer than that. I'm just going to call it YouTube SEO. Most of my videos are about video SEO kind of things anyway, so let's just leave it at that. Okay, so that will refresh in the next update. So what else I want to put in here? I'm going to put Twitter in here because the way I use Twitter is basically I use lists and I curate. And I'll show you what that looks like in just a second. And all of that is completely automated. So Twitter, I'm going to change it from saying Twitter to recommended. Okay, I spelled something wrong there. recommended should have 2 M's, I believe. And we put in the username here at Tony Hayes SEO. Click on the save. Now when I click update and preview, the YouTube SEO will look better, and we should have recommended in here as well. You see that? Okay. So now what we can do is, let's just click on this. I'll show you what I was talking about with the curation stuff. Basically how I do this, you can see my best retweets this week. Twitter to display promoted tweets and user profiles. Facebook introduces new app for creating videos with friends. All of that stuff. This is not my content, guys. This is all done via RSS feed, okay, via IFTTT. So I've got, if somebody makes a new blog post on Search Engine Land, on Moz.com, a whole bunch of sites, that it will post on Tumblr, and from Tumblr it will post into Twitter as well. Okay, so we got all that automation going on in the background. You can see here I've got 4,345 followers here, 6,879 tweets. Now we just started to do this, so I just started to do this about, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks ago. So I expect it might irritate some people, but other people will see value because I'm basically curating a lot of very, very good content. It's not even mine. But all of these links to where this go to have got they all go back to Twitter, Tumblr, sorry, and they all got links to videos on my YouTube channel. Okay, I've got this random anchor text going on, and all that happens using IFTTT backlink commander. Anyway, so we got recommended, we've got YouTube SEO, we've got reviews, we've got tutorials. What else we want to put in here? We can put in locations and stuff. I think I want to put in here an opt-in form. I like to have an opt-in form no matter what I'm doing online. The main goal is to be able to maximize the traffic that you get, and the best way to maximize traffic is really to be able to get people's email addresses and drive that same traffic again and again to various pieces of content and offers and promotions and new stuff that you've got. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to call this one free SEO tools. I'll just copy this, get high quality, oh my, come on, yeah, there we go. My T button is broken, it kind of screws up every other. Get high quality free SEO tools from okay, and here we got API integration. I've already integrated Aweber in here, so all I need to do is choose the list. And I've already got a list set up that basically I use from my website that when we give away free SEO tools. So we got all of that in here. Now what I can do as well is I can make that one go to be first. Okay, so if I update and preview this afterwards, we should have free SEO tools at the top, and you can see that makes it more appealing. Okay, and for me it's better as well because I want to be able to grab somebody's email address. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things inside this SEO app. Okay, so next what we want to do is click on where it says content, and you can see I can put images, Facebook pages and things like that as well, articles, audio, notes. But if you come over here to where it says earn money, this is interesting. Now look, if you've got customers who are restaurants, for example, you can have order food takeaway thing here, put their menus on the app, book a table, and loyalty cards, good for coffee shops, good for restaurants, and you can even put in a whole Amazon store based around a specific niche or topic. Okay, you can even do the same with iTunes, which is basically MP3s, audio books as well, which is kind of interesting. AdMob is for AdSense kind of revenues, and this one here is interesting, coupons. People love coupons, guys. Okay, so I'm going to click on this. I'm not going to get to finish it all completely because I need to set up some offers and some squeeze pages in the background, but for now what I'll do is I'll keep this called coupons, and I'll click on where it says create new coupon, and I'm going to choose between one of these. So save 25% off, buy 3 and get 1 free, or custom off, and I'm just going to choose that one, and I'm going to put in here this week's SEO software discount. Okay, so software discount from oh, come on, something like that. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect. Can put a disclaimer. Valid from, we'll make it from today. We'll make it from number 3, and we're going to make this until, just kind of keep it evergreen. Check every week for new deals. So I can go to other product creators and get some deals, and then we can fill in the rest of that here once we've got all that. So button text and go and buy stuff. So now if I update this, we should have coupons here, and what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to make sure that we have that sitting near the top. It's already done that, so perfect. Look at that. If somebody opens your app, you've got coupons at the top, free SEO tools, etc., and that's pretty cool. Now if you don't have any free SEO tools, put a link over to my site. You can send them over to my site if you want. Some of these tools you can actually send them to a squeeze page and send them directly to a link to get these tools, because I've already built in some opt-ins into the software itself. So you can do that. You can do that for 2 or 3 of those tools, where you can just actually just set up a squeeze page. I don't mind, just let me know and that's fine. Send an email to support@anthonyhayes.me, support@anthonyhayes.me, and we will help you. Okay, we'll give you some free SEO tools that you can give away. All you need to do is set up a squeeze page, and you can go ahead and do that. Right now, so all that's set up, and it's not taking me too long. I've been talking a lot, and it's 12 minutes. Probably I could have done that in 5 minutes if I'm not talking. Okay, so within 5 minutes, I've got quite a good little app building here. Now what I want to do is I'm going to change the look and feel, because I don't like this green color. I don't like the style, don't like the design. This one here looks better. This one here. Okay. Yeah, that looks better. I just don't like that brown color. And that looks a bit better. So, okay, so I'm going to choose to save this one here, which saves that design. And then I'm going to change the color. All that's happening in the server in the background, so we have to give it time to update. Okay, so now we've got that done, and you can see that's here. So now we're going to change the color. I like the yellow text in here. Once you've chosen that, I'm going to click on save. Okay, and then I'm going to come down and I'm going to choose the background color. I don't like the red. I want more of a dark green or a black color to go with the yellow. Click on that, and you can see it's already kind of pulled this in, so I'm just going to save that as black. Okay, now we're looking better. Just open this. Okay, so we're looking quite good now. So we've got this up here, which we can change. If I scroll down, I can choose an image. Choose an image. I need 640 by 88. I don't have an image right now, but I'll get one made later. In the meantime, Alpha SEO training. Okay, no, that's not working out there. You can see it's got too many letters, so we're just going to call it Alpha SEO. It's fine. And we want to have the background being black color, and we want to have the text being yellow color. Yeah, that'll do. And we're going to click on save. And you can see still 15 minutes or so to do all this, and it's pretty much done now. All we need to do is to publish. Okay, you can create a splash screen here. Now, to be honest, I haven't gone through the videos on how to create the flash screen and what size it should be and all that kind of stuff. As I mentioned, I've used it only once. This area up here is very, very important. We're calling it app Alpha SEO training, but it's got this image here which we really don't want. We need to put in a new image. So I've already uploaded, just to save it a little bit of time. I'm going to choose this yellow one here. I'm going to click on done, and you can see this is the image they will see on the telephone. Okay, something that looks nice, something that looks appealing, something that's instantly recognizable, and it says alpha as well, which is perfect. Okay, so that's the app. That's basically me created an app. Inside that app, we have got coupons where I can monetize things, either my own products or someone else's. Free SEO tools that I can give away, and I can build an email list. I'm giving them some tutorials, which are on my blog anyway. I'm doing some reviews for my products and other people's products where I can monetize. I send them over to my YouTube channel where there's a whole bunch of training videos, and hopefully they will subscribe there. And I recommend some curated content here. This is content from around the web, from the top content providers, okay? So that's from Search Engine Land, Moz, all those kind of sites, and all of that is happening in the background, automated. Okay, so a very, very good SEO app created really quickly, and even with me talking, it says 16 minutes. Okay, so let me just pause for and come back over here into the Zapable membership area in here. Okay, now you can see here they've got this nicely set up. It's all in order. You can see exactly what is going on, and you can see here they've got a quick start video. You can tells you about how to set up themes and settings. But what I showed you is basically, you know, it's just that easy to use. You just saw me creating a very, very good little app. Now, if you took that to a client and you had sort of pre-populated that, you would be able to pique their interest very, very quickly, okay? And you could sell those apps to them really easily, okay? So it tells you how to do it for local businesses, how to find local businesses, gathering data, selling your first app. Neat chaps overview. If you want to do some Amazon stores, there's Amazon stores within Zapable. You can go back up here. If I just scroll over and go over to the list features and just go into the earn money part again, you can see here that you can do the loyalty cards and all that local stuff, but also you can do iTunes and you can do Amazon. Now, if you're going to do Amazon, that could be really, really interesting. I don't know what they got for search engine optimization, but maybe they got stuff for marketing in general, which gives us an opportunity. But we need to put in our Amazon ID and things like that, affiliate ID, which I haven't got done anyway. I'm just see the access key and secret access key. So I can't really carry on with that right now, but they've got videos showing you how to do all of that stuff. You can see the app SEO and competition research, how to optimize your app as well, how to market your app, how to go and submit to Google Play to get iPhone operating system certificates, Android keys, and all that kind of stuff, and some resources here as well. And what Andrew's mentioning here is that you can search online for HTML calculators, free HTML calculators. I did this earlier. I typed in actually free HTML calculators, and there's a whole bunch of those things, like for weight loss and stuff like that, for loan, like payday loans and kind of things, you know, those little calculators for buying cars and all that kind of stuff. There's a whole bunch of those that you can add in, and basically all you need to do is to copy the HTML to make that happen, okay? So it's quite a comprehensive little software, and it's a very, very comprehensive little business actually set up if you want to go ahead and make business from this, because you could do really, really well, even part-time or full-time. What I would suggest you do with this is choose a niche and try and stick to it, whether it's going to be restaurants, whether it's going to be hotels, whether it's going to be whatever. For example, restaurants, you could put the menus in here. Real estate agents, you can put all of the houses and properties that they got for rent and for sale and stuff in here. You can do it in sections, and whatever categories they got on the website, you can do that. But the most important thing out of all of this is when you've created an app. Let me just come back over to the manage apps section in here. You can see how I built this same one twice so that I knew exactly how I could do it. But when you've created an app, you can click down here and you can see here white label push notifications. Okay, this is hugely important. Okay, and you can click to go into this, and basically what that does is it's going to let you send notifications to everybody who download your app. Okay, so for example, if I've got 1,000 people got my SEO app, I want to send them an update about something, even a promotion. it will come like a text message to them, okay, inside their telephones. Okay, that gives them instant notification. About 99% of people will probably open that to see what it is, okay? And because they've got your app, you can do that. And your clients can do that. So your clients can say, we've got a 2-for-1 pizza offer on a Tuesday or something like that, or we got, special deal on a Friday night for special occasions or whatever. All those kind of things, and you've got a huge amount of possibilities that you can use with this. Now, the good thing about this is it's only $39 a month. And, if you cannot make $39 from something as, strong as this, as far as being a marketing tool, then you really got to figure out how to make money before you start buying anything more, because it's got everything you need for local, for affiliate, for your own products. It's got everything you need. And on their sales page, they've got a sort of slogan saying that everyone is in the app business, basically. If you're a marketer, and it's, if you're in business, you're in the app business, everybody should have a map. Everybody should be doing this mobile marketing now, and it's making it really, really easy to be able to do that. And with this white label notifications on top of it, everything else that I've just demonstrated here has made this an extremely powerful marketing tool, and it's going to keep getting better. I know that they've got plans to keep adding new things every week or two. So every month there's going to be something new in here, and it's just going to get better and better and better. So I reckon for $39, it's a fantastic value. It's $297 for a year, or $39 for a month. If you can afford a year, then it's a fantastic deal. One sale can make that money back for you. Just one sale. Now, I've got a guy across the road from me. He has been talking to me about marketing stuff for real estate here in Thailand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make an app, basically from his website, and I'm going to take it around there, and I'm going to show him on the telephone, and I'll say, if you want to keep it, it'll cost you $500. Okay, and I'll give him some other bits and pieces with it. What I will do with that is I will give him a press release from Mass Media SEO, which is really high quality press releases with manual SEO built in, really, really cheap. And I will bundle that with maybe a whiteboard video and the app as well for $500. Then I've got my money back immediately for 1 year that I've paid for this tool. Okay, just one customer will put that money in plus a profit. Okay, really, really simple stuff. Get the whiteboard video done on Fiverr.com, and the press release. Well, I actually own Mass Media SEO and press release company, but we got really high quality press release syndication in there now, at just $97 a month for 5 high quality press releases, which is much cheaper than any of our competitors, and it's really high value as well. But we can only do the upgraded version for local businesses. But the other main sort of mainstream mass media SEO stuff is for affiliate marketing and stuff as well, and it's actually got some very, very good distribution to about 170 sites. Plus we've got a whole bunch of Web 2.0 blog networks, social bookmarking going on, all of that stuff. We're doing a bunch of manual SEO on every single press release and all that kind of thing. So it's very, very powerful, and it's really good quality syndication going on in the background as well as a press release. So all of that together for $500, it makes it an easy sell. There's nothing hard to do here. It's going to take maybe 5-10 minutes to create an app from anybody's website, and it's going to take a couple of minutes to do the other bits and pieces, because I tell other people to do them anyway. I don't actually do them myself, so I can get my virtual assistant will go and order a whiteboard video, and someone else will write the press release. It's very, very simple stuff. So that's it, guys. That's how you can make money with this. That's how I would use it. You can use it for your own stuff. You can use it for affiliate marketing. You can build in niche affiliate stores. You can actually look at this like having a little fan page on a telephone. That's what it's equivalent to in my mind. Some people say it's equivalent to having a website, kind of, but I actually think it's more akin to having a fan page in there. And as long as you got that white label notification that they have got, it makes it extremely powerful, and it's very, very easy then for you to give to your clients to be able to send messages or just do it on their behalf. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you want to get this from my link, I do have a special gift actually. I forgot all about that. Let me just go in here. I'm going to show you something very, very cool. Okay, what you need to do, remember I mentioned that it's better to do this according to, to a specific niche. So I'm working with realtors here in Thailand. I'm going to click in here to create a real estate page. Now I've got one potential client that I really want to get. Okay, this is one that I've just started talking to, and his business name is Love Patia Property. So I'm going to put his name in there. Okay, that's his company name. Kind of strange name, but it seems to work for him. I'm brought to you by Anthony. His main area is Patia, that's a city. Main recipient will be me. Main recipient will be him. That's not his real email, but I can change it later. Okay, non-priority secondary recipient. So what this means is priority and non-priority. Okay, so what this will do is it's going to split the leads up into high priority and low priority. Okay, for high priority, leads will be sent to this email address. Low priority, we can send it to a completely different email address. Okay, and that will work just fine. So what it's doing, I'll show you the actual form in a second, but it asks them some various questions. And when they fill in those questions, it's going to determine if they're high priority leads and need to be dealt with urgently, or if they're a low priority lead and can be dealt with, over a period of time. They might be just looking for information, just gathering information, doing some research, whereas a high priority, you need to be dealing with them right now. So we can use two different email addresses there. So anyway, I'm in Pattaya, so I'm going to put in here Central Pattaya for Area 1. Area 2, I'm going to put East Pattaya. Area 3, I'm going to put Pattaya South. Area 4, I'm going to put Jomtien. Area 5, I'm going to put Other in here. And then what we can do is we can click on Create a Page. Okay, so that's been created. And I can go and click over here. And you can see the page has been created. Okay, you can see we've got this really nice little landing page. So if somebody comes to fill this in, say for example they're looking for Pattaya South, click on Continue. The price 50 to 150,000 because properties are quite low price here. Bedrooms 1 to 2, bathrooms 1 to 2. Currently working with a realtor. Now if they click in here no, or if they click in here looking to move in the next 30 to 90 days, that makes them a high priority lead. Okay, we just wait for this to load. Something not working there with the image we need to fix. So when they fill in this part here, for example, put the telephone, put the first name, put an email, click on that. That will send to the high priority email address. Okay, so that automatically does that. So what I'm doing is I'm going to give you access to this, which is a really fantastic bonus. You can use it for realtors, you can use it for car dealerships. Okay, there's some training in here as well for Facebook advertising. And it's an old course that we had last year, but you can see that this is working really, really well as far as the site builder. And you can see how quickly we were able to build that up really, really quickly. And it looks really nice, very professional. And these are high converting landing pages as well. And basically you can build up your own. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you access to this if you buy Zapable from my affiliate link. That is my bonus. Okay, what you need to do is you need to send in your receipt with the JVisa purchase ID, and if you do that, then once we've confirmed you bought from my link, my staff will send you access to this tool. Okay, so that's a fantastic bonus. This is a really, really good bonus. We were actually selling this not long ago for about, I think it was about $497. So this is a fantastic bonus here. Okay, you will see a lot of people offering a huge amount of bonuses, listed bonuses about 20 or 15 or something. You probably would never even use 99.9% of those. You'll probably forget you even had them. Don't get sort of seduced by the numbers of different bonuses. They're playing with your sort of personality to make that appealing for you. Okay, they're just playing with human nature to make that happen. What you need is something useful, something that you can use, something that adds value. So if you were offering an app and you offered a customer a landing page like this, a high priority, low priority landing page like this, then you got something useful. And you can do the same with the car dealerships as well. and you can see you can do one for the single manufacturer, multiple manufacturer, and you can even do it for instant credit approval as well. If you're in the USA, that would work better, but you can see this is far better. Okay, so you can target car dealers and you can target real estate agents, and real estate agents aren't, there's millions of them. They're all over the place, and you don't have to be it doesn't have to be someone that you can go and knock on the door like me, like I have over here. You can target anywhere in the world that you choose. Okay guys, that's me done with this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you get this, and I hope you use it. It's a fantastic tool, Zapable. Put it together with these landing pages, and you got something very powerful that you can offer to clients, and you can easily go and make $500 packages. Add the mass media press releases in there, and you can offer easily something very appealing to local businesses where you don't need to worry about SEO. Okay, you don't need to provide rankings and stuff. You're just providing them with a high quality mobile app, a high quality landing page, a press release, and if you added something like a whiteboard video that you can get done on Fiverr.com for $5, you've got something. You can easily sell $500 packages, and you could sell them all day long, and they're very easy to do. And even if you don't want to do them, then what you can do is keep an eye on your email over the next few days, because we will be doing a done for you service for the mobile apps, for the landing pages, for the whiteboard videos, and for high quality press releases, which will definitely dominate in the search engines locally anyway. Okay, so those packages will be $150, so you can save yourself $150 if you do it yourself. If you just want to scale up quickly, then this is the way to get in the door. This is definitely the way to get in the door. Just do a mock-up of a client's website, show them it in an app, say you would like to give them the app. If they're interested, let them let them talk to you in a meeting and upsell them. Talk to them about $500. Just give them one sort of category from their website on the app. If they want to get more categories, if they want to get an opt-in form, if they want to get a whiteboard video, then it's $500, and you can do a different one every month with a press release, etc. And it's very easy to sell. It's not SEO stuff where you're talking to them in jargon where they don't understand stuff. This is proper marketing stuff that they do understand, and they would happily pay $500 for. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.